Hello and welcome to our final episode of Back in Stock for 2023. Christmas is almost here, but that doesn't mean you can't still get your orders in. Check out our website for our final order delivery dates. But for right now, let's go and take a look around the warehouse and see what we've just got back in stock this week for you today. The first item is 061934. It's the hydraulic switch and it is £18.74 including VAT. This one is 02.15003/L. It's a reflector in red with a chrome trim by Lucas and is £16.74 including VAT. 607266 is a fuel tap and that is £10.12. And 607267 is a fuel tap reserve with a sealing washer and it's ethanol proof, which is also £10.12 including VAT. And finally this week, part 131776, the mounting kit for a steel roadster fuel tank pre-850 Mark III, which is £22.18
And as always,
VAT.
don't forget you can set yourself a reminder on the website when there's an item that's out of stock.
You can get an email sent to you to tell you when we've got it back in again, or you can just give us a call or an email on the technical hotline and those guys will help you out there as well. Until next year, have a good Christmas and I'll see you soon. Bye.